You are currently the only person in this conference.
हेलो हाय नितिश।
हेलो।
ठीक है नितिश, मैं देखा लास्ट सेशन में हमने वी हैव नॉट डिस्कस्ड मच थिंग्स, सो हम क्विकली कवर कर सकते हैं। सो आपने साइन अप कर लिया था सेल्सफोर्स, साइन अप एंड यू आर एबल टू लॉग इन एज वेल, राइट? तब बात तो हो गया था ना आपका। तो नितिश, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Sir, just give me a moment. Let me connect.
Okay, fine.
Hello.
Hello नितिश, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो मैं पूछ रहा था, आपने और लॉग इन कर लिया ना सेल्सफोर्स की और पे?
Yes, sir. लॉगिन तो मैंने कर लिया था।
ग्रेट। सो लॉग इन करने के बाद और आपकी ऐसी दिख रही होगी, राइट? लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ लॉग इन डॉट सेल्सफोर्स डॉट कॉम।
राइट, राइट, राइट।
ओके, ग्रेट। सो सबसे पहले हमने डिस्कशन वहाँ किया था कि व्हाट इज सेल्सफोर्स। सेल्सफोर्स हिंदी इज ओके फॉर यू, राइट? देयर इज नो इश्यूज इन हिंदी। हेलो Hitesh, your voice is not coming to me. Are you here? Hello. Hello Nitish, you are here only? Hello, Nitish. Am I audible? Hello. Okay. Okay. So I think you are not audible. Can you speak something? Okay, so I will. Okay, fine. So I was saying that we have discussed this thing that is Salesforce, what exactly Salesforce is. So what exactly Salesforce is? It is nothing but it is a cloud-based CRM that is working on different clouds like sales, service, marketing, experience, health cloud, and many more. Okay. So basically it's a CRM. Okay, now what exactly the CRM is? In the CRM, I'm doing nothing but I am going to manage the customer information so that I can better interact and manage the relationship with the customers. A simple example is a bank. Like if I want to store your information, what is your information, Nitesh, and what is the other people's information? So how I can store that information in Salesforce? With the help of a CRM. Like Nitesh, we can be from different backgrounds, like IT support, or there is some more person which or he or she belongs to different background. There is one more person that belongs to different background. You want only Salesforce admin. You want Salesforce development and LWC. Somebody else wants BA course. So how they can specifically do all these things with the help of the Salesforce. So what exactly Salesforce CRM is? It is used to manage the customer relationship so that we can better interact and manage the relationship with the customer. Let's suppose I went to some banks. So now what that I'm doing is like I just want that I'm having a very good account bank balance. Now if I'm having a good account bank balance, then what exactly the bank people will do? They will offer me some loans, like two-wheeler loans, four-wheeler loans. Definitely they will be offering you some loans, right? If that's the thing, okay, they will be definitely offering you the loans, yes or no? Because at that particular point of time, you will be having a lot of things to work there. So they will definitely offer you the loans accordingly. But if you don't have the account bank balance, then those people will not offer you the loan. So they will offer the loans only and only if you are having the good account bank balance. So that is how it is. So what exactly is the meaning of the CRM? It is used to manage the customer information so that we can better interact and manage the relationship with the customers. For example, HDFC Bank or any institute business if I am doing. So if I am doing any institute business, so I will be capturing your information, right? And what exactly you want. So that like right now you are doing now. Maybe Nitesh, there is some background. Or again join
You are currently the only person in this conference.
voice is coming to you now? Hello. I'm not getting any voice from your side. Hello. Hello. Are you getting my voice now? Hello. Okay, fine. So I was just saying about the Salesforce. What exactly the Salesforce is? That is a cloud-based CRM, and that is working on different clouds like these clouds. Now I'm just trying to understand what exactly the meaning of a CRM. CRM is nothing but that is used to manage the customer information so that we can better interact and manage the relationship with the customer. That I have told you about the banking. Like if HDFC Bank and IDFC Bank, if you are having a good account, bank balance in your account, then those people will definitely offers you the loan, right? They will tell you that take up this loan, take up this loan. If you are having the good account bank balance only, then only those people will be offering you the loans. Otherwise, those people are not interested in offering you the loans, right? Okay, so that is a banking system here that I have told you, HDFC Bank and IDFC Bank. Or for example, institute, like right now, for example, you have enrolled for the admin sessions. Now you like the sessions, then after that you say that I want to enroll for the development sessions as well. So it depends upon how the services I am going to providing you. So and how I comes to know that you are a part of the Chrome existing student, because I am having one my database, and in database I can get to know that you are a part of this system. Okay. So CRM is nothing but data is used to hold the customer information so that we can better interact and manage the relationship with the customer. That is the use of a CRM here. Now to work upon it, okay. So for example, if I want to build this website, okay, I want to build the website, this HDFC Bank website I want to build. So earlier they're having a lot of options like sorry, earlier we don't have much options. Right now we are having a lot of options. Different programming languages are available, and with Salesforce as well, we have a concept of an experience cloud. We can use that particular concept and we can build this particular website accordingly. But earlier it's not like that. We don't have much options available. Okay, so earlier ऐसा नहीं है कि ज़्यादा options available होते हैं. Okay, so that's the problem earlier. The much options are not available, but here right now the much options are available over here. So earlier what will happen, only the concept of C and Java is there. Okay, only we have two concepts, one is a C and one is Java. So only two concepts were available. So the client says, why should you build such a platform over which we can directly work the things? So the concept of cloud computing came, and different cloud vendors came up into the picture like Salesforce, SAP, Siebel, Zoho, and lot of other. Okay, so different cloud computing, different cloud vendors has been came into here. Okay, so that's why I'm saying it as a vendor, because it is providing the services on the rental basis. It's not like that we are buying the Salesforce. No, we are getting the Salesforce services on the rental basis. So if I'm working on any project, that means there we are getting the services on the rental basis. Now, the very first concept that we have studied, that is an object. For example, if I want to build some application, now if I want to build some application, so obviously I need some database if I want to build some application. So how we can do it? How can you build an application? In that scenario, we need a database. So in Java language, what will happen? We are taking help of the Oracle to connect to the database. But with Salesforce, Mark Benef is a very clever person. He don't do these things. He says that we will be having our own concept. We will not reliable on the any third party system. We will keep it on objects are nothing but to keep the record information in Salesforce. There are two types of an object: standard and custom. Standard objects are nothing but the objects which are created by Salesforce itself. Example: this count, contact, opportunity, lead, case, and campaign. So what is standard objects? The objects which are created by Salesforce itself. The objects which are created by Salesforce itself, they are called standard objects. Okay, and here we are getting these. So account, contact, lead, opportunity, case, and campaign. So in every all, we will be getting the standard objects, and these are some of the standard objects in Salesforce. We will study about these standard objects in today's session. All of us join, we will study about that. Other one is a custom objects. The objects which we are going to be creating based on the requirement. Because Salesforce cannot give each and every object here. So to create it, what we need to do is we need to go to the object manager, click on create, click on custom object. Here, let's suppose I'm creating one custom object as positions number. Like what exactly the positions which are open here. Label is something that is coming it on the UI. Object name, that is we are going to store it in the database, and then this position numbers. Float label is something that we are going to keep it on the UI. Sorry, on the child of the relationship names. We will see that it on save. These three fields are important. Now, if you see here, what exactly the custom object that is created, position number underscore C. How we will differentiate that it is a standard object, it is a custom object. This underscore C would tell us that it is nothing but it is a custom object. Underscore C prefix is going to tell us that this object is nothing but this object is a custom object. And how many standard fields will be going to be created? 4. One is name, one is created by, one is qualified by, and one is override by. So if you see here, that's what it is written. Object which we are going to create based on the requirement. Underscore C is nothing but a custom object. 4 standard fields were created when we create a custom object. And I have asked them to create these custom objects. One is student, one is position, and one is candidate. Okay, so only this much discussion in this we have done. Any doubts on this? And let them join and we will continue on this. Okay, so you can remain here, let them join. Okay, other people, so we will start.
Hello. Hi, Nitesh.
Hi, Ajay.
Shivandu, your voice is bit cracking.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is it okay now? Hello.
It's like something is sparking in between.
Might be
No,
my
we are
network.
not able to hear you properly.
Hello, guys. Are you able to hear me now clearly?
Yes, as of now, in between.
Okay. Let the others join. Then we will start. Let's wait for those people to also join in the session, and then we will start. Hi, Pratik.
Hello.
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 Yes, Nitesh. We are able to hear you.
Hello,
Hi, Pratik. How are you?
sir. I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, better.
Even though your voice is still now again it's gone. Lots of background noise is coming.
I'm on a Wi-Fi network and I'm sitting in the room only. So, Nitesh and Pratik, are you also getting my voice as a break?
वॉइस तो आ रही है आपकी बट साथ में कुछ अलग सी भी साउंड आ रही है
Might be यार कुछ टूल का इशू हो सकता है. Maybe. Let me check.
क्योंकि मैंने पहले लैपटॉप से करा था आई थॉट इट वाज ऑन माय एंड
Hmm.
बट अब मोबाइल से भी लॉगिन वॉइस ही आ रही है
Okay. ठीक है. Take problem.
हाँ, कुछ साउंड तो आ रही है, मतलब क्रैकलिंग साउंड.
Hello guys, now tell me now how my voice is coming now. Now it's fine?
Yeah, now it's all right.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Let me know if you're able to see my screen. Are you able to? Okay. So in our last session, we have studied till what is a custom object, and we have seen underscore C, one custom object we have seen as well. And I have you to create these custom objects, student, position, and candidate object. Now we will discuss how we can create the record. Basically, we have created these custom objects and I need to create the records. But for custom object, directly record creation is not possible. So how we can create the records here? In that scenario, I need to go to this and I have created this custom object. Okay, position NOV underscore C. There is no record creation for this particular custom object. So to create the records, guys, we need to create the custom tab as well. Always remember that to create a record, we need to create a custom tab as well. Click on this gear icon, click on the setup. In the quick find, search for tab. So quick find is nothing but that is Google to Salesforce here. So you will search the tabs here. When you search for it, you will be getting one section, custom object tab section. Click on new. Which object I need to create the tab for? Position November. Select that object. Select a tab style here. Hit on next. Now we want to apply this tab to all of the profiles. Right now I'm making it as a default on. Yes, I want to apply this tab to all of the profiles. Hitting on next. Then the next thing is, do we want to show this tab for all of this applications? We are having standard applications and custom applications in Salesforce. Like standard applications are sales app, service app, marketing app, sales console, service console. These are all of the applications which Salesforce provides you by default. Apart from that, you can create some custom applications as well. Like I have created few hospital management app, hospital console app, test service app. We will see like how can we create all these things. But right now I'm saying that I want to show this tab to all of the applications, irrespective it is standard or it is custom. I'm making it for all of the apps as well and hit on save. Now the tab gets created here. Now just go to this app launcher. This is
Shivendu,
an app. Yeah.
sorry, can you just repeat one more time from start from the tabs? I missed that.
Okay. So that whenever if we are going to
And
create
and
any
one more
custom,
thing, can you be a bit slow as because we are new, so it's hard for us
yeah,
to
sure,
catch it. So
sure. Okay.
thank you.
So I was saying that if I need to create the custom record, like I have created a custom object, now I have to create the record as well for it. So I have created one custom object position and OV. Now basically what is the use of custom object? The custom object uses I need to create the record for it. Now if I need to create a record, what exactly I need to do is I will be going to the custom tabs from here by going to this tabs screen. I'm going to this tabs. In this custom object tab section, hit on new. Now it will gives you all of the options, whichever object the tabs has not been created, like a patient. This object also I have created. The tab is not created yet. Select that object. Put any tab style of your choice. Whatever choice your tab style you want to keep, you can put your tab style. After that, click on next. Then it will ask you like to which particular profile you want to make this tab visible and to which particular profile you don't want to make this tab visible. So right now I am making this tab visible to all of the profiles. Whatever profiles were available here, I am making this tab visible to all of the profiles. Clicking on next. Then it will gives you the options of all of the apps: standard app, service app, custom app. Standard apps are something which are already created in Salesforce, like Sales app, Service app, Sales console, Service console. And custom apps are those apps which we are going to create based on our requirement. Right now, I'm showing that I want to show this tab to all of the application, irrespective it is standard or custom. Hit down. So after that, go to this app launcher. Go to this position MOBs, whatever tab you have created, the name will be shown over here. And going to new, and you can create a record. That means this position is for Salesforce developer. Hit on save. When you do so, what is the name, who is creator, who is the owner, and who is the last modifier. Apart from that, we have to create the patient tab. So that is also tab is also visible over here. Patients. Okay, there are two. So might be ours is this. Yes, there is no record right now. Now clicking on name, I'll create this record. Vishwa. The record has been created here, Vishwa. Okay, so this is how we can able to create the record of Salesforce here. Okay, the patient name is Vishwa. This is a creator. This is a owner, and this is the last modifier. Salesforce wants to know who is the creator of the record, who is the owner of the record, and who is the last modifier of a record. Standard tabs are already available like accounts, contacts, cases. Okay, so all of the Salesforce org will have a standard apps already, but custom tabs we are going to create based on our requirement. Okay, now I want you guys, I think I have given you these objects, student, position, and candidate. Okay, so create one object employee, all of them first of all. Create one object employee and create this custom object and create the tab also for this object and create the records as well. So you need to create this custom object employee, create the tab also, and also create the records for this particular custom object. Okay, one by one, please do this. Anyone is facing any issue, please let me know.
So can you please send that link to open this site, this Salesforce dashboard thing on public chat, please?
Which you are talking about? To log into salesforce.com.
Yes, sir. That's one.
I have given you.
Shivendu, I'm getting some exception. It's showing that unable to connect to the URL. When I have created the tab, in that tab it was asking for a URL and I give google.com, but it is saying that refuse to
URL,
connect.
it will not ask. Can you share your screen once? I will
Yeah.
give you the pointer access.
Yeah. Are you able to see the screen? So if I go on, let me go on tab. See, I'm getting this thing, and it is showing the refuse to connect. Are you able to see my screen, Shivendu?
Yes, I'm able to see student tab. Can you see on the topper side of where the URL is mentioned, like there is something
Yeah,
settings?
let me share the complete
Yeah.
screen. Okay, let me know if you are able to see. Are you able to see my screen? Shivendu?
Yes, I'm able to see screen.
Yeah,
Student
so
tab.
just a sec. So wait. So if I'm going on tab
Hmm.
over here, I have created the web tab. Okay.
Hmm. You need to create a custom object tab.
Okay. Sorry, then it's my bad. Yeah, I will do this.
Okay.
Yep.
First of all, create the object of employee and then create a tab and then create a record. I think your object is also not created yet.
No, I have created the. Okay. So you have asked to create a new object.
Yes, employee object. Go to the object
Okay.
manager and from there.
Okay.
First
Okay.
of all,
Object manager. Okay. Let me do this. Yeah.
okay, Nitish. For those who are unable to create a custom object, I'm telling you again how to create a custom object. Go to setup, go to the object manager, click on create custom object. Here you need to create a custom object like EMP November. Label name, object name is nothing, but data is stored in the database, plural label, and it comes here. 4 standard fields here. Then go to the setup, go to the tabs here, custom object tab, EMP NOV, putting the tab style, clicking on next, and clicking on save. And then go here to EMP NOVS and try to create the record here. Click on new animation like this. And don't fail. These are the steps that you have to do. Okay, so please do it and let me know once you are done.
हेलो
Yes.
सर, ये ऑब्जेक्ट मैनेजर के बाद ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं, अकाउंट, एक्टिविटी, एड्रेस।
आप मुझे स्क्रीन शेयर करो। मैंने आपको एक्सेस दिया है। हैव गिवन द एक्सेस, प्लीज शेयर योर स्क्रीन। I am able to see your LMS screen. I'm not able to see your Salesforce screen.
हाउ यू कैन सी सर?
No, maybe you have just shared your LMS screen. Just stop sharing and share the entire screen. Now I'm able to see your LMS screen only.
नाउ यू कैन सी सर?
Right now your screen is not visible. The cursor is moving with the red, but nothing is visible. See, I'm sharing my screen with this again. Follow my steps.
नाउ आई हैव शेयर्ड, प्लीज चेक नाउ।
Yeah, now it is visible. Yes. Now go to create option. There's on top right. There is a create option.
दिस वन?
Click on this. Click on custom object. Now here enter the label name as employee.
ओके।
Copy it. Copy the employee and paste it in the plural label employees. Put one S as well. Save it now. Okay, so the object gets created. Now on the top right side there is a gear icon, settings icon.
वेयर सर?
Top right ऊपर gear icon है, gear settings से पहले one ahead. एक और on this one.
दिस वन?
No, after that. Not this
This
side.
one?
Right side. Right side. Right side. This one. Yes. Click on this.
Setup.
Hmm.
Yes.
Click on setup. आपने शायद सेटअप पे क्लिक नहीं करा है नितेश. Can you click on it again?
Sir, setup for
ये गाइडेंस सेंटर वाला पॉपअप पहले क्लोज कर दो. क्लोज दिस पॉपअप. आई थिंक स्क्रीन स्टक हो गई है आपकी. रीशेयर इट अगेन. Close this pop-up guidance. Yeah, I can see it. Now click on the gear icon again.
this one or this one? Notification.
Gear icon is previous one. This one. This is the gear icon. Settings icon. I click on setup. Again try it. I think there is a net issue at your end. Click on the setup. It will load a screen. Or go to the home page. Go to the home. Like click on the home. In between there is a home. Object manager home setup. Click on that. Nitish, what is going on? The screen is getting stuck. Or are you connecting from mobile network?
Yes, sir.
कनेक्ट फ्रॉम वाईफाई नेटवर्क. एलएमएस में बहुत इश्यूज आएंगे नहीं तो बिकॉज इसको इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी चाहिए. आपकी कनेक्टिविटी बार बार जा रही है. आपकी स्क्रीन अगेन गेट स्टक. You hear it once more time. ये होम लिखा हुआ है. क्लिक ऑन इट होम. Stop sharing it, Atish. This is how we cannot work. Okay, I will. You can just watch the recording again because the net is not working. I will tell you what exactly you need to do. This is a gear icon. You need to go to the set. It will load a URL. In the quick find, you need to go to the tabs.
Okay.
Here, in the custom object tab section, hit on new. Select the object that you have created. Select the tab style. Hit on next. We need to apply this tab to all of the profiles. Apply the tabs to all of the applications. And hit on save. Done. And then you need to create a record. How it is possible? You need to go to this app launcher. Whatever tab that you have created, open that. And then hit on new. Then you will be able to create the record over here. Come with a good internet connection, otherwise it will be an issue with this. Because Salesforce also needs some good internet connection because your page is not getting loaded. अगर अब लोड हो रहा है तो स्क्रीन शेयर कर लो. We can do it. Pratik, your is done.
Yes, sir. I have created the tab. Now I'm going to the last step. I'm doing
Okay.
it. Yeah. Once I do it, I'll share it with you.
Sure. And Ajay, have you completed?
Yes, I have created a one record as well.
Great. Nitish, check it if you're able to create or if you're able to share your screen, and if your org is working fine, then please share it again. I can guide you.
Let me share it one last time. Let's see.
I've given you the presenter access. Please share it. I can see it. In a quick find, just search for tabs on the left hand side. Hmm. Hmm. Click on the tabs. Click on the tabs. In the custom
So
object
here,
tab, hit on new. In the object, select the object.
employee.
Hmm. Select any tab style. In the search bar, select any tab style. Click on the search bar and select any tab style that you want. Click on next.
Tab style I have done.
Next, click on next button.
Okay. Okay.
Scroll down.
Hmm.
Scroll to down. नीचे आ जाओ. Scroll to down. Click on next. There will be one more next button. Scroll down again. Hit on save. Now left hand side there are 9 dots. App launcher. Go there. Click on this. Now search for this tab, employees. Right here, employees, 𝐒𝐸MPLOYES. So it is coming. Click on that. Again, try to click new. Hitting on new. Write any employee name. Any name you can enter. Save it.
Can I save it?
Yes. The record gets created. So this is the thing that we need to do. Creation of a custom object, creation of a tab, and then creation of a record as well.
Okay. So here the tab is employee. I mean, object
Employees.
is
Tab
employees
is
and.
employees. Object is employee,
Mm-hmm.
and tab is employees. If you
Okay.
see for the standard object as well, object is account, tab is accounts, object is contact, tab is contacts, object is opportunity, tab is opportunity. So
Okay.
S will always come.
Okay.
Shivendu, one question.
Hmm.
Is that means that one tab have only one object?
For one particular object, we will have one tab only.
Okay.
Just give me 2 minutes. Huh? Okay, let's do one thing, guys. I'm just taking your access. Pratik, you have done?
Yes, sir. I created the tab, but I cannot find this. When you search for this employee thing, it doesn't show anything there.
Okay, I've given you the presenter access. Can you share your screen?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yes.
So,
Not don't need to search it here. Go to the app launcher,
mhm,
9 dots. On the left hand side, there are 9 dots.
mhm.
Search whatever object name that you have created, search it here.
No, it doesn't show employee. It doesn't show November as well.
Okay, wait. Uh, Close this.
Mm-hmm.
Now on the quick find, search for tabs. Employees tab is there, no?
Yeah.
Scroll up. Okay, refresh the page once.
Ready? Refresh.
Refresh the page.
Okay.
Yes. Now again go to this app launcher, 9 dots.
Mm-hmm.
Search for employees in the small. And
Okay.
it is coming now.
Oh yeah. Now. Okay. Yeah. Now got it.
Now here you can able to create a record.
Okay.
Okay. So I think all of you are able to create the custom object, custom tab, and the custom record as well. Okay, there is one more way to create this particular process. I will tell you first of all, then you can create. While we create the custom object, okay, again go to this gear icon, go to the setup. Now here, let me try to create the object manager. Here I'm going to create a custom object. Create a custom object. Now the custom object is, suppose I want to create laptop. Plural label, I'm creating it as this. Now if you scroll down, there is an option of launch a new custom tabs wizard after saving this custom object. Hit on, check this checkbox and hit on save. It will land you directly to your tab screen. So you don't need to go to the quick find and again search a tab. Okay, so any tab style here, hitting on next and hitting on next and hitting on save. And then you can create a record as well. Here if you put the app launcher, see this laptop is coming. You can able to create a record as well. Here new, the laptop is of Dell. Save it. Again I'm telling you, when you go to the setup and here when you go to the object manager screen, if you click on the creation of a custom object, if you scroll down here, there is an option of launch a new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. So you need to check this option and then the other thing will going to work here. Okay, now create one custom object, that is book. Okay, you need to create a book custom object and create the tab and create the record as well, but this time the way is different. You don't need to go to the quick find. While creation of the custom object, check that particular launch in your custom tab after saving this custom object and then try to create it. इसमें anyone has any doubts? Ajay, Nitesh, and Prateek? I want.
No.
Okay. Okay, then please quickly create it.
Hello. Hello.
It's done.
Done. Let's wait for others then.
Sir, I am on the page like it's mentioned. I mean, created the tab that is detail, API name, book. What I have to do after that?
First of all, create the custom object. Check the checkbox. It will automatically land you to the tab screen. Then you need to create a tab. After the tab creation, we need to create a record.
No, I'm saying I've done the process and I'm on the page. It's mentioned details, API name, book, and there are two options: edit or delete.
Can you share your screen, Nitish?
Yes.
You just create the object. You didn't create a tab, right? Are you not listening the steps, Nitish?
Yes, sir.
और
Yes.
नहीं, मैंने 3 बारी 2 बारी करके दिखाया था. आपको वहीं से करना था ना. आपने checkbox check नहीं करा, right? You haven't checked the checkbox, so that's why only the object gets created. Go to the object manager. Click on the object manager. Wait. In the quick find, search for book object. Where is book object where deployed is returned, where there is an option arrow option is there. Can you click on that arrow option? After that arrow option is there.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Delete. Delete. Again, click on create custom object. Here only there is an option of create. Only don't need to put a setup custom object. Click on custom object. Yeah. The label name, write book, B as capital. Now plural label, write books. Scroll down. Scroll down. You haven't checked that checkbox actually at that time. Launch a new custom tab. Save this at the last option.
This one, right?
Yes. This one.
Launch.
Yeah, launch a new. Yeah. Save it. Now your tabs come, just select tab style, next, next, and save it. Then try to play the record. Okay.
सर यही किया था मैंने तो.
नहीं किया था, अगर करा होता तो उस पर थोड़ी आती वो. कोई नहीं, that's fine. Next and save. Save. ठीक है. ऐप लॉन्चर पे जाओ, 9 dots. यहाँ पे सर्च करो बुक्स. बुक्स वाला वो ओपन कर लो. And then try to play the record.
वो प्रोसेस.
Click on new, create any record.
Okay, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good.
Hello.
So everyone has completed this.
जी भाई अब तू सब में खेल पहले मैं एक बार खेल
अजय?
इधर आ जा इधर तू लिखा हुआ है
Yeah, I have completed.
नहीं नहीं
Okay. So let me share my screen. So we have seen how to create the custom object and how to create the custom record as well. In there only, we are having one field that is called custom fields. Like we have a custom object, we have a custom fields as well. If you see here, there are 4 fields that were created automatically. Name created by, last modified by, and owner ID. Now, if you want to create a new custom field, then the very first thing it will ask you, like which type of a data field you want to create. You want to create text, you want to create number, you want to create any other, which type of field exactly you want to create. First of all, that is a very first question here that we are having, like which type of field do you want to create here. Okay, so here I am saying that I want to create one auto number field. Auto number field is what? That is a system generated field. That means if we are generating any bill, so if you are generating any bill, then your bill number is coming like 001, 002, so that is an auto number field. Formula, roll up, lookup, master, this we will see in the later section. Then we will be having a checkbox field. This is used to have a true or false values. Currency, if I want to store a salary or what is an expenditure, then I am going with the currency. Date, name suggest whenever if you're going with the date type of field. Date and time, whenever if I want to go with date and time field. Email, I want to have some email field. Number type of field if I want to store. If I want to go with some other fields value like percentage, phone name, only suggesting what exactly this is. Pick list, multiple values, and from that multiple values we can select a single value. Like if I want to store state, in the state we can belongs from Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana. So whatever state that we belongs from, or skill set we are having C, Java, Apex, what exactly the skill set. So that is. So in the pick list we get a multiple values, and from that we can select a single value. Pick list multi-select multiple values, and from that we can select multiple values. Text type of field. Text area, if I want to allow some feedback type of field in which a user can enter up to 55 characters. Text it along up to 131072 characters. So let me create one field, position. What is the salary that we are offering at this position? Salary of length, we are keeping it as it is. Description, we are not giving anything. Help text, if I want to tell to the users what exactly is an objective of this field. Required, if I want to make this field as mandatory. We are not doing like that. Next, again, field level. Right now, we are making for all of the profiles. Hit on next, hit on save. The field gets created over here, salary. Again, if I'm creating one more field, this time I'm going to create a pick list field. Skill set. Here I'm entering, we know C, we know Java, we know .NET, we know Apex, what exactly we know. We know flows, what exactly we know. Hit down next. Again next and save it. For example, we want to create one more field, that is email. I'm creating email. Email. Click on next. Next and save. One more name. This will be a number field, that is total number of positions here.
Touch reading not supported.
Click on next. Next and save. Click on new. And here we want to select some field, that is text area. We want feedback. Click on next. Hitting on next and hitting on save. When we create these type of field, where we can see this field, again we will go to this tab. Here only these fields will be visible. Hitting on new. Right now it is not coming because it is not getting refreshed. Log out. And log in again. And then log in, and here it is coming.
ओ भाई इतने थोड़ा लगा क्या
Click on new. Test 1. Salary 90,000. 9,000. Skill set we know C. Total number of position is 10. Hit on save.
चल गया मैं
So this is how we can create n number of fields as per our requirement. Like on the employee object, for example, if I want to create some field like a number type of field, Aadhaar card. What is the currency? Currency type of field, salary. What is a city? Text, like text type of field. We are giving it as city. Feedback, text area. We are keeping employee feedback. Okay. So please create these type of field and state as well. That means pick list having a state. We can have different states like UP, MP, HP. Okay. So please create these custom fields on the employee object.
So what is the difference in text and text area?
Text can have up to 18 characters. So text area can have up to 55 characters. It's like a big box that is coming, in which we can enter multiple characters.
Okay.
The area gets increased. So please create this field on custom object employee. Okay. On the left hand side, I have mentioned the field type, number, currency, text, text area, pick list, and on the right hand side, the field label and the field name. That should be same. Create it and let me know once if we are finding any issues.
Shivendu, I'm getting one message related to the text field. You must enter a value for the length. How much length I should edit?
Enter 18.
Okay.
सर सैलरी ऑप्शन में हेलो
Yes, tell me Nitish.
या सर सैलरी ऑप्शन में लेंथ का जो ऑप्शन है इसमें हमें पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू डालनी है या फिर
नहीं, लेंथ 18 डाल दो बस सैलरी में,
सॉरी
और रिकॉर्ड क्रिएशन 18 लेंथ डाल दो, और रिकॉर्ड क्रिएशन में 90,000 से 60,000 सैलरी की वैल्यू रख देना.
Shindu, after creating the field, what should I have to do? I have created the field, but I'm not able to see under the employee custom object. Okay, I need to log out or refresh.
Yes, account will log in again.
Got it.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
बोलो नीतीश.
Sir, I'm creating a new field pick list. So आपने हमें इसमें ऑप्शन दिया है यूपी एमपी एचपी. तो ये अलग अलग क्रिएट होंगे या फिर एक साथ भी क्रिएट हो सकते हैं?
ये वैल्यूज अलग अलग क्रिएट होंगी, एक ही पिक लिस्ट फील्ड क्रिएट होगी, लेकिन उसमें वैल्यूज हम एंटर करते हैं तो उसमें वैल्यूज एंटर करोगे, पहले यूपी, फिर एंटर करोगे एमपी, फिर एंटर करोगे एचपी, इस तरीके से होंगे.
तो अब जैसे मेरे पास ऑप्शन आया न्यू कस्टमर फील्ड, फील्ड नेम में मैंने डाल दिया सिटी या स्टेट जो भी है.
स्क्रीन शेयर करो नीतीश आप. everyone has completed. Okay, let me take the access. I will be sharing you one sheet as well, guys. In that sheet, there are list of objects and list of fields. Okay, so that you can create till next weekend. Okay. Now there are two fields. One is a text and one is email. Now, what is the difference between these two? There is a text field and there is an email field. So what exactly is the difference between these two? So a text field is something, let's suppose, if I am mm, mm, like I want to store the values like this. Uh, test 89 at the rate gmail.com. That is my format to store the field. Test 89 at the rate gmail.com. Now, if I create a text field, then it will accept test 89 as well. It will accept that as well. Ideally, it shouldn't accept that, but it will accept that as well because it's a text field. So, email field will gives you the standard validation that if a user is trying to enter test 89 and hit on save, but we want the values in the @ format at the rate gmail.com, yahoo.com, or reddit.com. So it will give us an error over there. Okay, so what exactly is it? It will give you the error over here. Okay, so this is how it is. So that is the difference between the text field type and the email field type. Are we clear here? What is the difference between email and text field type? Okay, fine. We have studied that we got one concept of cloud computing and different cloud vendors has been came up here. So we have few features over here. One is SaaS, that is called software as a service. We are getting the predefined software. We are working on that. Or we can say we will get the at most standard features to work. That is software as a service. Okay. So Salesforce will be also acting in software as a service because here we are getting the features of standard objects. We are getting some more features. Okay, so Salesforce will be also working as a SaaS product. Like if we talked about a tele ERP application, so there the debit and credits people will do, but what exactly is inside that to do debit and credit, we are unaware of that. Okay, so what exactly is inside that debit and credit, so we are unaware of that situation, right? So that is software as a service. So the things are in front of us and we are working on that. Okay. Then comes the PaaS, that is platform as a service. So we are getting the platform over which we can do the customization or coding. So we can do the platform where we can do the customization and coding here. Okay. In Salesforce, we are getting one platform that is called developer console platform, over which we can do the customization and over which we can do the coding. So Salesforce will be working as a PaaS product as well. Then the last one, that is called IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. We are getting the particular infrastructure For example, if this training is offline, so we are using the infrastructure of the Chroma campus at that particular point of time. So similarly, how you are going to use the infrastructure of Salesforce. It is very important that how we are going to use the infrastructure of Salesforce. How we are going to use the infrastructure of Salesforce? We are going to use infrastructure of a Salesforce because we need to know that how does Salesforce will give us a security, and how we'll get to know that Salesforce is going to give us a security with the help of the servers. So servers will help us to know that Salesforce is going to give us a security, and that security we are getting in the form of the servers in Salesforce. We are getting servers over which we are getting the security. And what are the servers that we are getting? Asia Pacific, Europe, and North America. These are the three servers that we are getting, and each server will be having around $8,000, even if it is free or bad. So based on our region, we are going to get a servers in Salesforce. So we can also get how to get to know the servers here. So in Salesforce, go to setup. In the quick find, go to the company information, and here we are getting the server instances CAN98. So that is a particular server that we are getting over here. So you can everyone, you can check the instance variable in your org, and whenever if you are checking the instance variable there, you are going to get like on which particular server we are currently working on. Okay, so this is how we can check the server as well in Salesforce. Okay, I hope am I clear? Okay, fine.
So, the one question basically, you mentioned that Salesforce is a PaaS applications, correct? Or
All three.
product?
SaaS,
Yeah.
yes, all three.
Okay. And which one comes into the SaaS? Which one comes into the SaaS? Can you give us some example of SaaS application?
SaaS, only SaaS application, like where we don't have any customization. Only whatever standard is available, that is available. Like Tele ERP application, that is a SaaS application.
So is it my understanding will be correct if I say that any application which is basically deployed on a PaaS will be a SaaS? For example, on a PaaS application, for example, if let's say that on a Salesforce, currently we are going to use the nCino as a one application which will be basically on top of Salesforce. So so nCino will be SaaS application, whereas Salesforce will consider as a PaaS application.
It will be SaaS application. Like Slack,
Okay.
you using a Slack. Why Slack is what exactly do? It is a communication platform. That is just like that. These are SaaS application. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Rest we will discuss in the next session. Okay.
Do we have any session on a weekday?
Hello.
Yesterday we had a session.
If you guys are available on one time where we can connect, we can plan one session on weekdays. Ajay, Nitish, Pratik, suggest me sometime because one of you, what I can say, Maria is not available on weekdays. So if you are available on weekdays, let's discuss this on group. We can discuss it if anyone, any time, flexible timings, all of you. You can let me know and then we can connect.
Okay.